Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host, who is Tara Wells. Today's video is going to be a makeup review testing tutorial one, and this could be a dupe, a bargain for something else. Yeah, look out for that. And I'll show you the product in 2 minutes, but I'm just going to go through the nitty-gritty stuff first, which is, if you like the video, the product, the advice, the testing tutorial, anything in this video, then please do not forget to give it a massive thumbs up, because it tells me that you like the video. And also, if you like the video, more people will see it, so definitely give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed and this is your 10th, your 200 video that you're watching from me, then please come and join the tazwells12 YouTube journey and the love family by signing up to YouTube for absolutely free, and then subscribing to my YouTube channel for absolutely free, which is at the top. There is a main button that you can just click and you'll be subscribed. You can click a notification bell and that will tell you when I've uploaded the newest video, so you'll be notified straight away when there is a new video. Video is not sponsored by any of the brands I do mention. This is just an advice video for you guys. It's just a testing tutorial video. It's not sponsored. I have brought this all out of my own money and wanted to try this product, so yeah, that's the only reason of this video. Please comment down below on the video if you like the video. If you don't, if you want to give professional criticism, let me know. Anything I can improve the video, let me know down below. I will always 100% comment back to your comments and like your comment too. Check out my other social medias, which is 1 on Twitter and 2 on Instagram. So you have tazwells12, which is my main normal account, and then you have tazwells12 home, which is my home account. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's get on into the makeup review testing tutorial video. The product we're going to review today is this little product here. You can't totally see what's on the packaging, so I will read that out in a minute. This was from ALDI and it's from their brand LACUA, which actually is a really good brand. I've had makeup palettes on here that I've actually done tutorials on, and literally their stuff is really good. And I've brought a couple more products in there recently. Like, there's products I've seen and I'm like, I do not need that, but it'd be really good for a video. But this I thought was really good for the price. So this is the LACUA TAKECOVER Concealer. It's a crease-proof formula that blurs the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and there's 10 ml in here, and that's what the bottle looks like in the cover. And then I got mine in light because I kind of like a light concealer. I was going to get a little bit darker one for like spots and stuff, but I kind of normally go for a lighter concealer. So if I take this out of the packet, what they're saying, that I've heard that this is a dupe for the Tarte concealer, and I can actually see like a duplication of this because the lid is the one that gives it off. They also had the one in there, the concealer, which I know works really nice because my mum bought it ages ago when she needed a new one. And that one's like a squarer bottle, a thinner bottle, but that one is like the NARS dupe. Really good concealer again. I always use it on her and it's really nice, and they seem to be bringing it back. So this one's the Tarte dupe. I haven't ever tried a Tarte concealer because it's an American brand and we don't really get it over here, if that makes sense. But that's what it kind of gives me the vibes when I've seen the pictures to it. So this I'm looking really forward to trying. So I'm going to clip my hair up and then we will put this on my face and we will blend it in and we will see what it's like. And I may even put powder over it because I want to see what it looks like with that on it and do the whole work. So yeah, 2 minutes. I have not tried this since I've got it. Literally, you can see where it has not moved. I wanted to test this out before I literally started using this because I don't know what this is like at all. So open it up. That was a little tricky to open, but now we've opened it, so that's fine. Let's see what the applicator looks like as well. Oh, this looks good. And also why I got this was because at the moment I'm using concealer for a lot of my primer for my eyeshadow, so I want to see how this plays out too. This is the applicator, which looks really, really nice because it looks very, very similar to my Revolution ones. Really, really nice. As we've got a lot of spots today, I'm gonna go literally all over my face with this. I am gonna blend this in with a concealer brush that I've been using, which is from Primark, and it's a 120 circular concealer brush. It's just this fluffy flat concealer brush. You can see how much I use it, so I'm going to use that. But I also use this for concealer on my eyes and buff this all in. So but I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to try this all in my face. It's got a fruity flowery smell to it, which is kind of weird, but I kind of like it. That makes sense. Not the normal boring concealers. Let's just go a couple of places that I would go. It's going on very nice smoothly. It feels very creamy. I've got a few spots, and then I don't know how long this dries, so we'll go in straight away. Oh, that's very light. Probably could have done with the next one up because that is light. Oh, it's very like a weird consistency, a very hard consistency to blend out. So maybe it's, like I said, like do not ever leave something on your face because sometimes it doesn't blend out. Sometimes you can get things like that, but I can see where it blurs you out. But maybe I have got too light a concealer for my face. But then to be honest, I would either put concealer on before I put foundation on, and then I would either put it on after in certain places, so like my eyebrows here, maybe down my nose, and here, just to sort of like make it a little bit more lighter. But that's pretty blurred, isn't it? Like, maybe I should have got the next one up. If I had like wanted a daily thing, it would be okay. But we'll go with this. I have to stop because I had a phone call. But we'll carry on now. I'm gonna go on any other areas that I kind of, yeah, it's definitely got a scent to it. But it's not, it's a bit like flowers, but a bit fruity. I know that sounds really strange. I will rub that in. Very good. It does blur out and it does cover like what you don't want to see, if that makes sense. So it would be probably a really good concealer under foundation, to be fair. I think I needed the other shade. A normal everyday. I did think that, but I didn't want to at the same time, if that makes sense. That's all done in. I'll just do a little bit in my eye. That's where I normally do concealer. But yeah, it was a bit difficult at first, but I think I left a little bit longer. But yeah, it's really brightening my face up. To be fair, I've noticed a lot of ALDI stuff is really popular lately. Like, they're doing a lot of dupes, but they also do, like, their stuff is actually really nice. Like, I've tried a couple of things and I've got some other new things that I'm probably going to do a video of. But yeah, like, that is definitely covered up that spot. Like, you can see it a tiny little bit, and I could probably put a little bit more on there, but apart from that, it's doing super well. So I think if I go in there next time, I might get the other colour, like the colour down from this, because in case I wanted to, like, sometimes you just use concealer to like cover spots up, don't you, and stuff. Yeah, it's really nice actually. Done really well. It's blending it in like a dream. It maybe look a bit like a ghost, but you can see where it's blurred. beautiful. So I'm just going to grab a powder. Now I've just gone all over it and I wanted to see what happens. Normally I would use a translucent powder, but I think I might give myself a little bit more colour into my face and I want to see what it looks like over it. So I'm going to use the W7 Banana Dreams loose powder. This is what it looks like. So it has got a bit of a yellowy tone into it, so it should give me a bit of more colour into my face, because I might not even have to buy the other colour if this is going to give me that colour back into my face. Just took it on this contour brush from Olivia Hill. I don't really use it as a contour brush, I use it as more of a packing powder brush. I'm just going to go over where I have done, and hopefully this will give me like a bit more like colour into my face. It still might be worth me getting the other one, just in case I just wanted to put concealer on that day. This is a tiny bit light, but hopefully the powder will even it out. So I don't really use it as a contour brush. I've got a contour brush from Real Techniques that I use and I really love, and it seems to do the job. But this I just use as a tiny little packing brush, sometimes for pressed powders, or I've noticed lately with a loose powder it does work really well. And you just like pat it on. See, I don't think it looks too bad now because I've kind of evened it out and put the yellow tone back in my face. So I don't think that looks too bad now, actually. And it's mixed. It's a little bit dry in areas, but apart from that, it's mixed really well. So if I come a close up, you can see literally like how that has blurred my face. So I've literally put it on any T-zone that I didn't like or any red areas, and yeah, these are just molds and stuff, so I don't mind them on my face. I probably could have put it on these tiny little spots here, but if you didn't want to like put completely foundation on your face, you could just use this, because this is pretty good. This is a lot more better than I thought it was going to be, and I think it'd be really good for eyeshadow. Eyeshadow would be really good with this. Revolution one is anyway, so I can imagine that one being exactly the same. I am going to take my hair down. There's like a little few dry patches here, but I get that anyway. I probably could have done what I could have normally done, and what I would do now, I've changed my routine, is normally I put a moisturiser on my face before. So I'll put a moisturiser on my face before, then normally a primer on my face, and then I will do a foundation. So I could have just put a moisturiser on and got rid of that area very easy, and all these dry areas there. I am pretty happy with that, to be honest. It's done pretty well. So we're gonna go off now and I will give you a verdict. So my verdict of this ALDI dupe, as you would say, for the last year TAKECOVER concealer. Oh, by the way, this was $3.99. $3.99 is such a bargain for concealer, because the one I bought from Revolution is £6. It's a big, thicker bottle, but it's probably got the same amount of product in it, but it's $3.99, so really good. My verdict on this is I am actually pleasantly surprised. I think I'd have to, if I just did this, I would have to use a banana powder, and I probably would have to put a bit of bronzer on to give me that colour back in my skin. It's very light. Didn't realise how light this was, so I might pick the other one up because I do like this a lot. So my verdict, as you probably know, is a big thumbs up. This is a really good concealer. If you're looking for a concealer, try ALDI. If your last one has run out, try ALDI, because this is really nice. It blended out really lovely, blended out like a dream. It's mixed with like a really cheap powder. It'll probably mix with the really expensive powders. Yeah, it's really good for $3.99. I think that's really good, and there's 10 ml in there, so that's a really good amount of product. Nice blending, doesn't feel cakey on my face. Very nice product, thumbs up. This has unfortunately come to the end of the makeup review testing tutorial video on the ALDI LACUA TAKECOVER concealer, and my verdict was a massive thumbs up. Really love this product. If you like the review, the testing tutorial, or the advice, or how I did the review, like the tutorial, or showed you how to use it or where to put it, or how to blend it in with a brush, or maybe to tone it down if you have got the lighter one, then please do not forget to give it a massive thumbs up to tell me that you like the video. And then if you like it, other people will see it too, so definitely do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below and tell me if you like the product, if you tried other products from ALDI, and what you think of this concealer, because I know this is not the first time it's come out, so let me know what you think of it, or any other LACUA products from ALDI. Let me know down below. I will 100% comment back to your comment and like your comment every single time. Please subscribe to tazwells12, my YouTube journey and my YouTube channel, by hitting the subscribe button and the bell notification button, so you can be notified when a new video is up, and subscribe to every single video I have done, and you can see more coming out soon, so definitely do them too. Check out my other social medias, which is 1 on Twitter, 2 on Instagram, tazwells12, tazwells12 home. Check, like, follow, comment whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. The video is not sponsored by ALDI or any of the brands I did mention. This is all out of my own money. It's a testing tutorial video for you guys, to show you what the product looks like, to show you what the product like pays off. Like, literally, that is what the video is all about, so no sponsored, it's all out of my own money. Thank you for supporting, and thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please have a lovely day or lovely evening, and I will see you soon, guys.